Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your week 3 lecture video. So in my screencast on the weekend, I mentioned that I would produce a instructional video for the annotated bibliography, but what I decided to do is incorporate some of the annotated bibliography instruction into the weekly lecture videos. Hopefully it'll provide for a better, more timely coverage of that particular assignment. So beginning in the week 3 chapter, or I should say weekly module, we're beginning chapter 2. Many people have worked on exercise 2.1 already in discussion board 5. I've reviewed the posts as of this morning, and I have to say everybody's doing some great work looking for keywords and phrases. We have the readings and activities tabs here. So I want to be sure that everybody is aware that I have a YouTube video available to help you create citations using EasyBib as one method. As we move forward talking about sources in the library and the annotated, there is also a way for you to create citations using Academic Search Ultimate. All right, links to the discussion boards. And I want to quickly talk about the library research online section here. I want to touch on this for about a minute. We have a lot of links to YouTube content that were probably created in and around the pandemic that are still apply here. The 30-minute database introduction and searching one video, I should say, is you can skip through it, pull out what you need, but it's appropriate for this particular course. The Google Tips, the 6-minute Google Tip video is really an important video to help you understand how to use Google other than simply typing in few words into a search box. There is a way you can quantify and qualify your searches in Google. All right. You have a lot of links to the library itself. You can click appointments. We do have an English librarian that can help you with your research. The library has a help desk, and you can use the reference librarians to help you with your research if you're stuck in a spot. So let me this week take a look at the annotated bibliography. Every discussion board, every activity, every assignment, remember, is working on one focused research topic from discussion board 4. So you will need an introduction here for your particular annotated bibliography and your topic. You need 6 to 8 sources with at least 1 or 2 sources coming from 4 categories listed. So here are the 4 categories. You're using the Academic Search Ultimate, the COD library database. In some of the older videos in the library section, you may see it referred to as Academic Search Complete. COD library is really good at keeping up to date with the top versions of the databases. So those are the sources from the Academic Search Ultimate database that you must have at least 1 or 2 of. Internet sources, many of you already have some internet sources if they are appropriate and they help you with source information. Excuse me. Also, multimedia categories. I cannot stress the importance of using multimedia, whether it's a TED presentation, documentary, or some appropriate form of multimedia that would support your particular topic. It works well. And most importantly, on the last item here, the living sources and field work. Okay. Read pages 67 to 78. You can use Google Forms to create a survey, push that out through your social media outlets. You can turn around and have something short survey, something about 5 to maybe 7 questions tops that people can just click through. Google Forms is great for that. So you'll be able to turn around and send out a survey, or perhaps if you have somebody who's been affected by your particular topic, along with you might want to interview them and use that as source information. I'd say either one, survey or an interview, would work well. All right. More importantly, I think everybody should take a look at this section here on what exactly is an annotation. for the annotated bibliography. And I'm going to click on one of the two examples here. Let's see if I can get this to open up. All right, here we go. Let me move this around a bit. So here is a particular annotated bibliography. It might be a couple of years old, but it is an appropriate example of what an annotated should look like and read like. So you have a citation of one of the particular sources, and then here you will see is the three-part annotation that follows the instructions in the course unit or course module, and so forth and so on. So as I talk and scroll, you'll see that this is an extensive document here. Do not underestimate this assignment, and this will give you the basis to use these same sources for your research essay. So this isn't useless busy work. You are really acquiring that information, that developed knowledge that you need to move forward in pulling together a research essay. So we have all the particular categories covered here. This one might be a bit longer than your requirement. Be reminded that assignments change over semesters. Pay close attention to the instructions for this particular assignment for the annotated bibliography, and that's what you will be assessed on. So if you have any questions or issues, you can send me an email. Remember that examples are just examples and there are no perfect examples. It gives you an overall idea of what the assignment should look like and read like. All right. So that's the introduction for the annotated bibliography and beginning portion of the library. As you move through the activities, be reminded that we turn around and work on one research topic throughout this semester. Okay. So with that, good luck.